Hi Husky, what's going on? Why you call me this late night? Any problems?
Uh, yes, Randy, I want to ask something. It's related to in the project.
Hmm? Ask me anything.
So, I have some cashier app project. The teams has been creating uh, WBS, I mean, but now I have no clue to estimating activity duration. Remembering we don't have any good team and a large project.
Um, I see. I recommending you to choose between these two methods, considering expert judgment and PERT. Expert judgment means that an estimator determine the expected duration of an activity based on their experience. The accuracy is very variative. I mean that it depends on the expert's expertise. And the second one is PERT method is a useful technique which help to increase the accuracy of cost and time estimates. There are three parts of this technique which provide three different estimates. The first one is most likely estimate that assuming a normal case in which everything goes as usual. Then the pessimistic estimate that assuming everything goes wrong. And lastly, the
Okay.
optimistic estimate that assume everything goes as planned. The duration of activity may more accurate than expert judgment, but it will take more effort in a small medium project. I think so. That's all.
Okay. Oh, I got it. So, remembering that the project is not so big and it will be suitable if I decided to use an expert judgment technique. But by the way, I
Mm.
heard you has been managing for post projects. Maybe I will asking you about your experience about this project activity duration.
So in my experience, uh, it's this project is not as big as complex, and it wouldn't take any longer than 2 months. But before that, can I look the detail of WBS activities?
Okay. I will sending you an email for detailed my WBS activities after this. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hmm?
I will creating a recap after you estimate the activity duration as soon as possible.
Um, you're welcome, Meski. I think I should go some rest. Good night.
Okay, good night to Randy. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.